Hey y'all, welcome back to Lone Oak Kitchen. Today we're going to do a video. We got a little inspiration for this video as we've been eating a lot of poke lately, my wife and I, and always love some sushi. So I don't know if any of y'all like sushi, and if you've ever ordered a tuna tower, the only thing missing from that in my mind was some prime Matador steak. So we went down to Matador Meat and Wine and got some fillets. They're about 1.5 inches cut, almost 2 inches. We're going to reverse sear those, and then we're going to top it with some poke that I picked up from Fishbowl Poke here in Frisco, spicy tuna. I'm not a sushi guy, I don't know how to do that, so I just went and bought it. We're going to add that ingredient pre-made, but it is fresh and it's awesome. I picked it up this afternoon. A little avocado and some jumbo lump crab salad that we whipped up. So hang with us. Hopefully this turns out good. Hey y'all, I'm going to cut up an avocado for our dish later. So go around the pit, a little twisty twist, twist the pit out, and then I just cross hatch even sizes. Super simple. And then I'll grab a spoon and I will scrape it out. So I got about, well, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 of these to do. And hang on, so it's coming. And super simple. I always start where that little nipple is. And just scrape it out into a bowl. Diced avocado done. Super simple. Y'all gonna do the rest of these. See ya. Alright y'all, I'm gonna zest a lime and juice this lime for some crab salad that we're gonna make, some jumbo up crab salad. So just a microplane, just to get all around this lime. I really want that fresh citrus flavor. Now, I'm making a jumbo lump crab salad. We're actually going to top a fillet and do some fun stuff here in a bit. I'm trying to get this crab salad done. That's good for now. Look at that jumbo lump. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna put some chilies in there and some lime. It should be good. So I took this fried chili oil, which fried chilies in oil, and I mixed it with some Thai style sweet chili sauce. Picked this up at our local Asian market. Figured it'd be fun. This is the concoction we came up with. It's a little thick and I want to cut it with some citrus. So some lime juice. And then we'll do the other half. Then we'll mix that up. And then we're going to dress that crab salad. And I'll sprinkle in some of that lime zest. Hopefully it'll thin that pepper paste out some. I'm liking the way that's coming together. A little looser, it was a little thick. Now for that extra citrus punch, that lime zest we're going to put in there and mix that all in. Plus what fell on the board. Now this jumbo lump came canned. I took a still picture of that earlier. Fresh stuff. So I'm literally just gonna drizzle this in here and I'm gonna mix it with my hands. You just want to gently toss this jumbo lump crab meat. You don't want it to break up. Let's see how this turns out. Ooh, that color is awesome. Thinking I want some more, because I like this flavor. Alright y'all, I'm going to toss this up, and we're going to toss it in the fridge, let it get cold, and let all those flavors marry. Next time you see it, it'll be on top of a steak. Looks good. I forgot the chives, y'all. Chives for the crab salad. That should be plenty. That'll be enough, y'all. I'm gonna toss that up and we'll throw it in the fridge. Hey y'all, here's our fillets that we picked up from Matador Prime Steak or Matador Meat and Wine in Plano. You can order online. Their product is phenomenal. I'm gonna season these up. It's a little windy out here, so bear with me. These should be phenomenal. Give those a little pat, and then I'm going to flip them over. Don't mind the little finches in the background. Got a little family back there, so that's the baby chirping away. Get these seasoned up, and then we're going to move over to the Weber. We got the charcoal going and the slow and sear. And we're going to reverse sear these. Guys, I'm going to let this sweat in for a little bit and we'll throw them on the grill here in a second. Alright y'all, we're going to throw these on. The kettle's ready. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm just going to put these on and let them smoke for a little bit. Fire's over here, vent. The smoke's going to bathe that meat. And we'll check them here in a little bit. Hey y'all, it's time to sear these fillets off. Ooh, I don't even need tongs. Look at that color. That smoke did awesome. I'm sure that was out of frame. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and sear these. We'll let those sear off for a little bit. I'm going to go for crosshatch marks. I'll do both sides and then we'll let it rest. Alright y'all, we're going to assemble this steak tuna tower. Look at that fillet. Now, in the sushi restaurant, they've got a ring mold that they do everything with, and I had to get a little creative. So we went and we bought a non-stick cooking mat, and cross your fingers, say a prayer, and I hope this works. So here we go. We're going to mold that around the actual shape of the steak and see and pray. Duct tape is your friend in this instance. Oh, I think that might actually work. Here's another piece of tape we're going to throw on there just for giggles. And voila, redneck ring mold. And I'll be pressing it down with, I don't know, this is from the inside of a measuring cup, one of those push measuring cups. So I'm going to put some poke in there and let's see how this goes. Cross your fingers. Move it around with that. Maybe a little bit more. Spicy tuna poke. And now we're going to push down with this. Hold that mold in place. See if we can't get this the same shape as that fillet. I think we're doing good. I'm just going to wipe the inside of that ring out. Oh, what we do for fun videos. This should be cool though. Hopefully it all stays together. Alright, next layer. Avocado. I diced this up earlier. So let's see how we do. This should be interesting. This is going to get 2 smashes. Halfway and halfway. Interesting. Sushi chef I am not. But this is fun, y'all. Hopefully somebody out there watches this and tries it or does something else adventurous. What the heck, why not, right? Hope the layers are even. I think I can see through this little mold. Alright. Looks pretty good. Another wipe. Clean off for the next layer. And we're gonna spicy crab salad that we made earlier. Jumbo lump. Wow. This is ridiculous. That's all I could say. One more scoop. Why not? Oh, I hope we have structural integrity. Gotta wipe off my little gizmo. Get all the avocado off of it. The trials and tribulations. Alright. I'm gonna pack that down. I hope and pray that this crab meat cooperates. All the dressing's coming up to the top. One more wipe of that plate. Almost think I should put this in the fridge and let it set up, but that cooled down our steak too much. So I'm gonna top that. I fried some garlic, so we're gonna put some fried garlic on the top just to see what that does. Good texture and good flavor. And then when I unmold this thing, we'll top it with some sriracha. Oh, I pray this doesn't fall apart. Cross your fingers, YouTube. No way. No way. It freaking worked. And that, my friends, is Lone Oak's interpretation of a tuna tower. Alright, y'all. I'm going to make up the other 3, and then we're going to eat, and I'll come back and report with a taste test. Hey y'all, I am absolutely stuffed. I'm not gonna lie. We ate, I laid on the couch, I downloaded all the other clips, now we're shooting the end. It was awesome. So I want to recap. We went to Matador Prime Steak and got some fillets, and went to the poke place down the street and bought some spicy tuna poke, diced up the avocado, and made that jumbo lump spicy crab salad, fried some garlic, made some homemade potato chips, and fried some wonton skins. All for a great meal, all inspired by a tuna tower at the sushi bar. Couldn't have been happier with the results. The meal was amazing. Again, I'm absolutely stuffed. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you soon from One Oak Kitchen. Thanks, guys.